Say you want some sugar, love. I love this song. You want get the roller, and baby, let me give you some more, baby. Hey, you have Shoki for this place, me come.
No, it's here tough.
You know, now you've been telling me that time. Say the favorite part. Now that I used to do Shoki.
That has
you
Shoki
like
part finish on my head like this. I know I say me Tiwa forever. I trip for it.
All right, welcome to PADI. I come front.
How you front?
Excuse.
So you go back small. You don't know since say you are not in perpendicular with me.
I was front.
Okay, so now you are in the same level.
Now I'm in the same level with you.
Stop with the cross leg. The way they cross your leg, you're like say the.
All right.
So no, the way it is,
just
make some moves. Just now, even me at the shock say, "Auntie, how far now?" That's why you realize say, you want to show cinema things and all that. So just calm down and get me. How are they, Jared? Now welcome on top of the show and hope everybody they're very, very
Are you okay.
I'm very okay. Don't I look okay to you? Don't I look okay?
I'm worried.
Why you worried?
For a few seconds right there.
Why worry when you can pray? All right. So now welcome. My name now Gbolo and Mayawa na Mayawa.
Hi.
Hi. You know, all this your fake laugh.
No, it's not fake. I mean.
All right. So we'll go on break. By the time we come back, every before they will kill my eardrums. With the shout of break. Look at me, I clap.
Hey,
I clap.
It reached to clap.
This one now, you bend like they work out for express. Make una give me money.
Give me money. I don't get leg. I don't feel waka.
But I clap at his flexibility and his acrobatic nature.
Wow.
And all that, yeah.
Wow. Anytime when you wear this monkey jacket, you're always different.
How?
I don't know. You're calmer. You're on point. You're just
Yeah.
You're smarter when you wear this.
When I'm on corporate.
Really? All right. As Unano said today on Wednesday, and every Wednesday we always treat people emails when they send. Come give us. We call them TORI Wednesday. This is the time for the drum rolls. Sorry, Wednesday night be today, and as usual, we get very, very amazing emails. Where people get problem for this word, though. People get different kind of problem for this word. Make we start.
Yes, we'll start now, sharply.
All right, moving on. Treating it. Now we'll start with the first one. This first one, it's off me. Wait, now I'll just give you real quick. Let's smelling this like this.
Sharply.
I was betrothed.
Betrothed.
Yes, I was betrothed.
Meaning. They carry me give person when I small.
They don't already arrange my marriage, right? For when I small. So okay, when you grow, now so person go marry you. Now I was betrothed to a man when I small. In family, now they sponsor all my education till I dey final year now. But the truth be say, I no feel shingbai for this man. I am madly in love with another guy who I actually hope to marry. How I want to come on myself for this palaver? Yes, I know. Now me ask question, now you go answer.
See your life.
Now me ask question, now you go answer.
Some kind things the way if they ask you, you go say, if you ask me, now who I go ask?
But we can't let her down. We have to tell her something.
We have to tell her something. Run.
Eh?
Elope. Because people like this now, men and brethren. See this thing about betrothing. It is spoil many things. So
spoil plenty things.
This one a perfect example right now. I believe say you go need different kind of help for this particular. Not be waiting you just talk say okay based on my emotion I won't follow like this and no two families don't join for the OT. So now na contract. Now contract and I got to fulfill on our own side of the whole contract. You know, but not be waiting you they ask like presenters like us for help for. You know, now waiting the two families got to sit down, talk. Now waiting some other people got to involve.
That
into
one,
the
if
whole
she
matter.
get mind, tell her family.
No, she.
You know what?
No, say this. As things be now, 21st century things. Some things don't they change.
No, some family know they change.
And some families, they still hold their
things
own.
Things they change, but some family rules and regulations know they shift.
But some children they cut rope now. Some they run come out now. Some just different things. But what you mean? I just shout up.
You fresh,
it's in. Yeah, fresh. I mean.
You fresh. Back to this matter, now the problem be this. See, me, I go just talk. Say, for starters, auntie, you knew, say, you didn't love this man. From the very beginning.
No, she no go know now.
No, wait, now make I tell you something.
She's small that time, she won't say no.
Make I tell you something. See, when she done dey aware, this guy where she dey in love with, not be at one point in her life she start dey love the guy.
I no be lie.
At that time when she start dey love the guy, you want tell me say she no aware, say she no love this other guy wey don dey pay school fees. She don reach final year where she go soon graduate. When they don't pay school fees finish. You can't say you no love again. That means the time when you know say you no love, why you no talk?
She don't already know say she get contract on her life and everything, basically, you know.
That is the thing.
But it passed just this kind, come and advise me, kind of sending message things.
Sit with your family and talk to them about it.
You guys to, you know, get how you want them, they run from this one. That's
the only option.
You can't run from this one. You
That's
understand?
Your
So you guys to tell them now, say, hey, I not love this man. Okay, how much the family of that guy takes send me go school?
Brother, no good deal.
No, some people they will tell you, say, okay, you don't put money on top of my head already, Abi. See, you sponsor my education. Okay, how much you take sponsor the education?
Maybe money no deal, no
so no different things where you go also look, you know. Sure. But at the same time, sit with the family, sit with your family,
and have
get
a
one
detailed conversation.
Exactly, or get one person for that family where you know say that one go do your back to say, don't worry, we go do this thing. You know go continue. You understand? Sure. But you need to sit with your family. You know feel wrong.
But wait, I'll get one question. No verse, so let me say they drag this, but I get one question, make I divert a little bit. All these men, them, where they do these things, them, are they doing it so that the girl won't be able to say no later? Because they betrothed you when the girl don't even know what her emotions be. Do you understand? Now she can't be very, very indebted to you.
Yes.
I don't know whether you understand. I think it's selfish at the same time.
Some people will tell you, say, culture. Some people will tell you, say, you go chuck you, say, your great grandmama, that's what they tell Mariam.
It's possible.
So the other say based on ancestral things, she no go school. But like I said, things don't change now. So we are getting better knowledge. Now make you feel talk like this. You understand? But by and large, you know, we also have to, you know, come back to where life day now. Okay. At the same time, not putting culture aside. We have to balance the two somewhere. If not, Lord. If we lose culture, our future no go make sense.
We have to have an equilibrium.
But at the same time, there's an equilibrium, you know, balance. So young girl, sit down with family and sort it out.
Okay.
Basically. All right, so for my own gist, Mayowa and Ogbolo, please, I really need your help with this one. My two friends and I have been close since secondary school, and we are in 300 level now. We are like sisters, very close. One of my friends did something terrible. We know she didn't study at all for an exam.
Bam.
And of course, she doesn't like she doesn't like it even when we persuade her to study with her. She no go still follow them read. Last, after results came out and she failed, she went against our advice. She stole her exam paper and told the HOD that the lecturers failed her as he said he would because she had refused his advances a number of times. Now, I mean, say, lecturers tried to the girl, but based on her own confession, based on her own life, she go lie to some prof them, say the lecturer can't scoop him, so now the lecturer don't fail her because she no agree for him. You understand? But meanwhile, in actual fact, she go thief her papers.
So that they don't go see the paper. So you make people see what you write, no evidence. So you go be like say he scrap her paper fail.
You know? So now, them will be the friends now don't realize say that lecturer now they want
job they on the line.
They on the line, you understand? So now she come to talk say okay, as friend where she be, her conscience they judge am. Okay, she like go and tell the appropriate authority, say this guy, he do what he supposed to do as lecturer, the girl fail him. Or the friend for the other side, whether she need to be on the side of the friend and all of that. And the matter is still being assessed and lecturer's job is on the line. So now I'm confused whether to tell the truth to save the lecturer's job or keep it to myself to protect my friend from getting into trouble. What moves should I make?
Can I say something?
Say something.
This one no be problem.
My dear.
You know why I say no be problem?
Why is not a problem?
I'll tell you why. Even the girl will send us this email. You will be the friend will send us this email. You just look for reason. You look for reason
you know
to talk. You know why? Because number one, it's a university. You have coursework. You have CAs. Then go down check her coursework to see how she they perform. Not just with her, not just with that course, but with other courses. That's number one. Number two, there and then they go give her another paper. Give her another exam until sit down right. Simple. It not be hard thing.
On the other side, I also want to talk one very important thing. Sometimes to help your friend for this life, you got to force their hand. Sometimes to help them. Because this one is also you want to protect your friend. There's every tendency she will continue life like this.
Yes, which is bad for her.
She won't get job later for life. She feel going to do some kind of things for back. And in protecting her for now, you destroy her for tomorrow. So on your
if
own
she can
side.
do this to her lecturer,
Of course,
she can do it to anyone, even you.
anybody.
Even
so
you.
if you need to go talk and say, man, you're my friend. That's why I'm doing this.
After all, I told you, come, let's read. You say no.
Exactly. So
if even be say they say, come, make I teach you, make I be your machinery. She say no.
Now she says no, or because you just want to go for back, go do some kind of kurukere waka.
Yeah.
All right. So to help your friend sometimes, you got to just tell the truth. All right, and save the lecturer's job, because that conscience, if that man lose that work,
it will be on your conscience.
That conscience will be your mind for the rest of your life. You rather lose a friend than make one. And if you're a family man, enter trouble because of some small girls when no just get their sense for head. All right, so go report your friend if you can. Save the man's job. Your friend can always rewrite that exam.
Yeah, and it's always something that even the university can sort out in no time.
So
anyway, so we're going to give one more before we off.
Okay.
Let's just read one more email before we off. Hi, I am a very talented Igbo guy who has a burning passion for music. I can sing and rap. Most people that have heard my songs love them. Now, the problem is I'm still a second-year student in a federal university, but quite advanced in age. It's a challenge to pay my fees, leaving me with almost nothing to make and promote my music. I honestly don't want to drop out and face music. I honestly want to drop out and face music, hoping to blow soon instead of going to school. Please, my one Ogbolo, what do you think I should do? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uncle, if you drop out, the people that are following you, they have succeeded. Here is the thing.
Where did they shake your pot for village?
Where did they call your name? Hey, you don't get sense, so they don't succeed. And I will tell you why. Why will you want to drop out of something that if you can just strive and finish, it will give you excess finances to do what you love? Why would you want to do that?
Say that again.
Why would you want to drop out of something that if you finish well, if you try and finish, it will give you excess finances to actually do what you love?
I start saying to you talking for pidgin English.
Okay. Why you go one come up for the school where we say if you try, finish, and it will give you money to actually push your music?
Bam.
Why?
Finish.
Uncle.
See, the music industry, maybe we were there for media and entertainment. We understand some things. Say, as it be for TV, not be so it be for real life. You understand? So as a guy where you be, as guy to guy, my brother, do everything where you feel do to finish that school. You understand? Do everything where you feel do. Even say, people they will finish school today. To pay that school fees was not easy. But then finish them. So you all not be the new thing. All right? So on your own part, try finish that school. Then go face music. But no drop out.
No drop out.
Because that music, sir, no certainty. They say in 1, 2, 3 years, you go blow.
I need to tell you something. Say, make I tell you something. As you see us like this, we get pali. If anything happen now, we dust pali, go begin work as professionals. You need to understand that not all that glitters. Esa, especially in the entertainment something, is a good
You go sing your song, my brother. They're going to like Next. So, please.
And you have said it, you are advancing age. You are not a small boy.
So, finish your school.
Think it well.
Finish your school, all right? So, I believe, say, a word is enough for the wise. Okay? Music, you can always do music for the rest of your life. But education, you go reach where you go reach.
Look at King Sonny Ade, still doing music. And he's old.
Yeah, so you mind King Sonny Ade inside school. You're not going too pure for eye. Or because you have decided to fast forward your life. All right? So, please, do the right thing. Education, then music. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll go on this break quickly. By the time we enter into the laugh of every, okay? So we'll come back right now.
And they are back on us.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to go?
All right. So this next and final one for today.
Final email for today.
My one Ogbolo, I must say I love your show. Thank you very much. And especially TORI Wednesday and Game Thursday.
Thank you.
You're going to say this person, he like play.
You like play, too like play.
You know, all the yarn and everything. They give,
no like him.
They give information to
you know on that one.
You know on that one. Now, they play up and down. Anyway, please, this might sound funny, but I just need your advice. I'm a plus-size lady, meaning say, now, Robo. You know, and I love food a lot.
Wow.
Obviously. I've tried all sorts of things to help me lose weight, but I still find myself putting one thing or the other in my mouth even when I don't want to. Addiction. I keep justifying how I eat, but deep down, I know I need to have self-control. Please, how can I train myself to have self-control over how I eat?
Okay, I know how. Go and lock your teeth.
Lock your teeth?
Yes, people do it to lose weight. It's a certain kind of braces you you lock it. You won't be able to eat anything, only fluid. Yes, it's they do them for hospitals and everything. People with excessive weight, then they always do them so that they can resize the size of what their tummy can accommodate. So you know, go feed to the chop everything like that. I'm not really sure what the details are, but I know people who don't lose weight through locking their teeth. People do it all the time, and it's very, very healthy and medical. So
locking your teeth, but at the same time, like some people that I know around me where they do these weights and they say you.
No, try am. Which kind of weight I want lose again now, but this guy. I go don't disappear. Where my wife? Hear her voice for there. Maybe breeze, rub carry and breeze.
Now, for some people the way they around me, I know say they also watch their weight and all that. They will tell you say, "Anibaba, mo talk TORI now." They will tell you say, "They worry my ear." They will tell you say, "Not be really about the eating of everything where they see." You understand? Say you fix the chop, but reduce quantity of food and where they always eat. So to a large extent, or maybe on your own part too, aside with my talk, which is also a wonderful solution, you on your own part to fit also see how you fit out of the cut because this thing now self-discipline must enter this thing. You don't get how you want to do them. If you know say me work on that self-discipline thing, you know go feel achieve them.
Yeah.
You understand? So no matter how you think they sweet you, like me, I like mineral. I like drinks. Make I just not be say alcohol, but I just love juice. I love all those water. So, but there's also something where the thing feel affect for your life. You understand?
Too much of it.
Too much sugar and all that.
Too much of everything.
So
is bad.
on my own part now, I make on the watch and say, okay, look, oh guy. For every time I see drink, I just go find something else as solution to the problem. Instead, I can't drink many water. If I drink plenty water, the hunger to drink mineral no go 2 days. You understand? So you as a person need to also find out ways to help your own self. To discipline yourself to do the thing right. You know, no matter how the food take, they hungry you. Something the way you know say if you just see the hunger for the food, if you just reduce. You know, do more of those things. And at the same time, also keep yourself for that environment of food.
Where you can always have access to excessive food.
Where your hand just enter the food, then how good they do things. So self-discipline needs to enter first. At the same time, I'd say if you go lock your teeth. Like my talk, you know, but me say you can't cut off from food.
No. I mean,
seriously,
just
that one gets some emotional effect to
sense.
So just small, reduce things.
In bits, after all, they said beautiful things come in really tiny packages.
You know, so tiny packages, for example. All right, so they come back right now. Yarn, laugh.
Tor, Ani, carry and come out.
Ani, Baba, take it.
Oh yeah, take it.
Oh yeah, word.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI, at Wazobia PADI, YouTube and Facebook, Wazobia TVNG/PADI. Search for them on top both, and you go see us for there. Individually at Twitter, on Twitter, at Instagram, at Snapchat. At Instagram is at Mayawa Ekpo and at Ogbolo. On Twitter, now at Mayawa Lambe, at Funny Ogbolo. On Snapchat, at Mayawa Ekpo, at Ogbolo. Follow us and we shall follow you too. I mean, follow.
All right, so now on Wednesday things and they accept on our questions and every and heartfelt worries.
Yes.
So send them to us on those platforms where Mayawa don't talk, and we'll do the best we go feed you to give you the full. We'll not get the full solution to the problem, but at least the small we go feed you, we believe it will help because a problem half shared is a problem half solved.
At the end of the day, even if you don't solve your problem, you go laugh. Life no hard. I mean, cannot come and go and kill yourself through me. Hello.
So peace, y'all. We'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you. Bye.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.